In this short video, we'll show you how to install Fly to Learn from a USB drive onto your Mac. Copy the xplane.iso file from the USB drive to the desktop. This may take a few moments. Once you've copied it onto the desktop, double-click the xplane.iso file to mount the image. The image will then appear as a DVD drive. You'll oftentimes also see a folder on the DVD drive and the Xplane Fly to Learn folder that is inside the DVD drive. Copy the Xplane Fly to Learn folder from the Xplane 9 drive to the desktop. This may take a few moments. Right-click on the Xplane Fly to Learn folder and select Info. Now select Sharing and Permission. Type your password. Next, change the privileges from read-only to read and write. Apply these changes to the enclosed items. OK the changes to the enclosed items. Now open the Xplane Fly to Learn folder. Select Xplane. Selecting Xplane, sometimes you'll get an identified developer's message. If you get this identified developer's message, press the Command key and then select Xplane. You will get a message that says Xplane is an identified developer. Are you sure you want to open it? You click on Open. And now Xplane is launched. This is the only time you have to go through all these steps. From now on, just simply click on the desktop folder, select Xplane, and you can launch it. Thank you.